Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I did a thing yesterday. I'm out here in the lab and I've been planting seeds. To begin with, I've got some, over here on the side we got some cat grass for Mamba. There's an old tub of it that he didn't finish. And I got that one pineapple top that I found when I got home, starting to put on roots. Next to that, I've got some tomatoes in tubs fixing to start sprouting. We got Praxis cherry tomatoes back in the back there. Next to them is a mix of red and yellow brandywines. Then we got some beefsteaks and some Romas. Over here we got a bunch of greens and brassicas primarily. In the far back there we got the Paris Island Cos lettuce, pak choy white stem cabbage, slow bolt Napa cabbage, some rainbow Swiss chard and some Lucellus Swiss chard. We got some cabbage collards that I got from my friends Chris and Darlene up in North Carolina at Homesteading the Hard Way. Some red Russian kale, dinosaur kale, blue Scotch curled kale. We got some red acre cabbage, some Waltham broccoli, mini romaine lettuce, super red romaine lettuce, Mishihili Asian cabbage, golden acre cabbage, Rogue de Hiver romaine lettuce, and Vivian romaine lettuce. Now I'm trying to go a little bit light and be a little bit conservative. In some cases, for each of the versions of Swiss chard that I planted, I only planted 3 yogurt cups. Same thing with the cabbage collards. Those cabbage collards produce so much that really all I really need is 1 plant, because I've got plenty in the pantry. I don't need to be canning anymore. So I'm just growing for what I'll be eating this winter and into the spring. Same thing with the kale. I only planted 3 cups of each of the types of kale. Now the Asian cabbage, the globe cabbages, the romaines, those I did 6 of each. Same thing with the broccoli. Not sure why on the broccoli. I keep planting that stuff, but I don't really get broccoli heads. But anyway, this puts me on a little bit of a time crunch, because in about a month, most of these things are going to be ready to go out into the raised beds. And I haven't finished cleaning up the raised beds yet. So that'll give me just a little bit more incentive, shall we say, to get things cleaned up outside. But that's gonna fill up a lot of those beds. I'll also be planting probably 3 succession plantings of carrots, and I'll be putting more lettuces in the green stalk towers and some containers, things like that. But that's the start of my winter harvest, or my winter season. And no doubt I'll be planting more seeds as I go along too, because I just can't seem to stop planting seeds. But anyway, that's where I'm at the moment. That's what I'm starting out growing. And I'll see y'all next time.